Hello there folks. Well, here's Thomas ready for his snowstorm adventure. He's got to push that snow away from the station here. The station is snowbound. So he's got to try and push that snow away. And that that power pole there looks pretty shaky and the storm might fall down. So we'll just see how he goes. Okay. So we'll get Thomas going. There he goes. Oh, he got rid of that. Yep. So there he goes through the tunnel. Out the other side. He's coming around. And that tree's in the way. Oh, there, a tree fell over. Wow. There, he pushed that tree aside. Yeah, he's got no trouble there. Pushing that tree aside again. There he goes through the station again. Keeping that snow away. Through the tunnel. Out he comes. There he goes. Up the mountain. And bang, he pushes that tree away. Oh, what a powerful little train he is. Cheerio, folks.